Welcome to PreMath. In this video lesson, we have got a system of 4 equations with 4 variables. As you can see in this given problem, 2x plus 3y plus 2z equals to 13, x plus 2y plus 3w equals to 4, 3x plus z plus 7w equal to 7, and 2y plus 3z plus 4w equal to 0. And now we are going to find the value of x plus y plus z plus w. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And as you can see that we are dealing with a system of 4 equations with 4 variables. So finding the value of x plus y plus z plus w is not going to be that easy. So therefore we have to be very careful and meticulous in solving this given problem. And we are going to use the combination method to look for certain pattern. In other words, we are not going to find the value of x, y, z, and w variables individually. Rather, we're going to look for alternative. And here's the very first thing we are going to do. Let's go ahead and label these equations. I'm going to call this first equation as equation number 1, and this number 2, this equation number 3, and likewise this is going to be our equation 4. And as we can see that this problem is quite overwhelming. So therefore, to make things simple, we're going to write these coefficients in terms of augmented table. Let's focus on this equation 1. We can just write down these coefficients. For x it is 2, for y it is 3, for z it is 2. Since w is missing, so I'm going to write down 0 coefficient, and equals to on this right hand side is going to be 13. And likewise we are going to do the same thing for equation 2, 3, and 4. As you can see, I can write down 1, 2, then 0, 3, 4, and next is going to be 3, 0, 1, 7, 7. And finally for this equation 4, since x is missing, I'm going to write down 0, then 2, 3, 4, and the right hand side is going to be 0. And here's our refined table. Let me go ahead and write down this as an equation 1. This is likewise equation 2, this is equation 3, and this is equation 4. And here's our next step. Let's go ahead and focus on equations 1 and 3. And here I am going to manipulate these two equations 1 and 3 by multiplying this first equation by 5. So this number is going to become, when I multiply by 5, this is going to become 10. This is going to become 5 times 3 is 15. This is 10. This is 0. And 5 times 13 is 65. And likewise, I am going to multiply this equation 3 by 2 across the board. So that is going to become 3 times 2 is 6, 0, 2, 14, and 14 again. So this is what we did. We multiplied equation 1 by 5 and multiplied equation 3 by 2. Let's go ahead and add these two equations, these things together. So we are going to add these numbers. 10 plus 6 is going to become 16, and here 15 plus 0 is going to become 15, and likewise 12, 14, and 79 on the right hand side. So therefore we can write these numbers, these coefficients, as 16x plus 15y plus 12z plus 14w equal to 79. 9. So let me go ahead and call this equation as equation number 5. And now let's focus on equation 2 and 4. And now let's go ahead and subtract equation 2 from equation 4. When we are going to subtract these equations, we are going to get -1. This minus this is going to give us -1. 2 minus 2 is going to give us 0. 3 minus 0 is going to give us 3. Likewise, this is 1, and this is 0 minus 4 is going to be -4. So therefore, we can write these numbers in terms of equation as -x plus 0 y plus 3z plus w equals to -4. And now let me go ahead and call this equation 6. And here's our final step. Let's go ahead and add equation 5 and 6 together. If we add this one, so that is going to give us 15x, likewise plus 15y plus 15z plus 15w equals to 75 on the right hand side. And now we can see that this equation is divisible by 15 across the board. So therefore, I am going to divide each and every term by 15 across the board. So therefore, these 15 and 15, all these cancels out. So we are going to get x plus y plus z plus w equals to, here 15 goes into 75 5 times. So this is equal to 5. And here we can see that we found out the value of x plus y plus z plus w turns out to be equal to 5 after these multiple steps. And here's your assignment now. Can you solve this system of equations for x, y, z, and w individually? Please leave your comments in the comment box. So thus our x plus y plus z plus w value turns out to be 5. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.